Want to get started with Windsurf AI? Let's download and install it on your computer. First, open your browser and go to the Windsurf AI official website. You will see a clear download button on the home page. Click it to begin the download. Once the installer file is downloaded, open it. You might see a security warning. Just click yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose the installation location on your computer and click install. The setup process will take just a few moments depending on your system. When it's finished, click finish and the app will launch automatically. If the installer does not run, make sure your computer has the right system requirements and that you have disabled any firewall that might be blocking the download. Excited to start? Let us know in the comments. Now you are ready to dive into Windsurf AI. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.